This video is meant to familiarize the rider with the location of information and components on a Razor Trail S1000. Note that some features and accessories shown may not be present on all models, and may not represent production vehicles. On the left side of the vehicle is the driver's door, which can be opened by pressing the latch button on the inside. Once inside, you'll find the seat adjustment lever on the bottom of the seat to allow forward and backward movement. The passenger seat can also be adjusted by loosening the 4 fasteners located on the bottom of the seat and sliding it into the desired location. Always remember to retighten the fasteners after adjusting. Both seat back heights can be adjusted by loosening the 4 fasteners on the back of the seat. The battery is located underneath the driver's seat. Remove the engine access panel between the seats to reach the oil dipstick and filter. Once in the driver's seat, you'll find the fuse box, stereo speaker, floor drain plug, tilting steering column lever, and the gauge cluster with navigation and mode buttons on the right side. In the center you'll find the key switch, light switch, all-wheel drive switch, auxiliary switches if equipped, an audio system if equipped, power socket, lower storage compartment with a USB inside, cup holders, and the gear shifter. On the right side of the dash, you'll find an upper storage compartment, adjustable handlebar, and a lower storage compartment. In the front of the vehicle, the grille can be removed to clean the front of the radiator. Also located in the front of the vehicle are the shock assembly, with preload and dampening if equipped, A-arms, tie rods, sway bar link, and the axle. The BrakeMaster cylinder can be viewed through the left front wheel well. The headlight adjustments can be found in both front wheel wells. The hood may be removed to gain access to the diagnostic plug, coolant overflow bottle, pulse bar, antenna if equipped, and radiator pressure cap. The fuel cap is located on the right side of the vehicle next to the passenger seat. In the rear of the vehicle, you will find the cargo box, tire pressure label, access panel, the air filter, oil caps, and spark plugs. And the rear suspension adjustment points can be found in the rear wheel wells. Grease points can be found on the front and rear sway bar mounts and the prop shaft. The VIN label is located on the right front vehicle chassis frame. The VIN is also stamped on the left rear vehicle chassis frame. Always read all warning labels on your vehicle before riding. A detailed list can be found in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.